Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you once again a new calculator, which is water intake calculator, and I will show you how you can make calculator like this in just 20 minutes and be online. Okay, so first we will go through the website, how it is looking like. This is the main page. So we'll click here. It is a calculator. This is a gender. You need to select the gender, then you need to select the age, weight, and activity level. It depends on our activity to moderate, high, and weather conditions, hot, humid, and your result will be appear here. I will show you later why the water intake is important. This is the content section. Here you will click here the guide section. This is the guide. Boost energy, improve digestion, support healthy skins, and the help your brain functions if you drink a sufficient water that is required by your body. Okay, this is the explore more calculator. Here you will click, you will get the more calculator options in the pages, also in the new calculator new website. Also I will also show you how much traffic this website is getting, the how much traffic of this calculator is demanding, how many people are searching the water intake calculator on the Google. Okay, these are the FAQ sections. How much water you should drink here. Does your body affect water intake? All those things. And this is the footer section. Okay, first I will show you how much traffic this keyword is getting. Go to Google Keyword Planner. It's a free tool, Google Keyword Planner. Okay, this I have already entered. Just check here. It's 27,100 direct same keyword water intake calculator. Once you use the water intake calculator.com.in or any related to water intake calculator. Also you can use the liquid intake calculator. If you find that that website water intake counter and use that kind of calculator on that website domain, you can rank on the Google. And if you're ranking on the Google, once you can approve through the Google AdSense. There are many ways to make money. Google AdSense, sponsorships, your own affiliate products, and lot of things. You can check the traffic, water intake calculator, liquid intake calculator, water intake counter, daily water intake calculator, and these are the traffics. This is the average monthly search, and this is the increasing mode. Yes, that is increasing, not a downward, because everybody is looking for the water intake, everybody is looking to be healthy. So if your website is ranking on a particular keyword, that is very important. In last video I have shown you how you can calculate the ideal weight calculator. I will show you also the traffic of that direct keyword. Ideal weight calculator, it's a 60,500. You can make the calculator like this ideal weight calculator. You can get all those traffic because your domain totally related to direct keyword. Google will promote you if you make your website more data useful, more useful to people who are liking, who are searching for waist weight calculator, body mass chart mail. You can make any type of calculator. If you don't know, me and my team will help you. Okay, first we will explore the calculator. Come to calculator, then to guide, then to FAQ sections. Okay, first we will use the calculator. If you are male, if your age is 28, if your weight is 66, 27, if it is 66, and activity level is moderate, water or the hot weather, calculate here. You need the 3.56 liter as per the calculator water intake. Depend on if you change here the humid, then it is required less, because 3.31 liter per day. Or if your moderate activity, if your activity is less, you need less water, because if you are doing activity like gymming, swimming, and walking, running, then you need more water, because during the hydration period you lose the water. If your weight is low, 58, you need more less water. If your age is less, 25, it's not changing. If your age is 35, if you are a female, if your age is 28, You need according to male and female. The calculator is coded according to male, female, weight, activity level, height, age, and the weather conditions. So this calculator will help you to get the maximum useful information. Those who are looking for the dehydrations, looking for health, weight management. So you can rank your own other keywords also. You can rank here, you can make the best weight calculator. You can make the new page, new calculator on this website also you can make a new calculator website. It will help you to get more traffic. Okay, I will give you a link in the description so that you can buy the same template and make your own calculator, rank your calculator on the Google, so that you can also start making money from the different ways that I told you: Google AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, your own product, a lot of things. Once you start getting traffic, there are a lot of ways. If you are looking for that kind of website, Idleweight calculator, because the website is also getting the traffic. These are the single calculator websites. I will also show you the multi calculator website, and these are the HTML website, very fast, very unique. And here this is also calculator. This is the calculators.1. So I have made many calculators website, and all are ranking on the Google, and I'm getting the lots of traffic. This is the multiple 180 plus powerful calculator, and also I made every month a new calculator on this website. I will show you some of the calculator. This is the SIP calculator. This is the WordPress website, because the HTML website are very fast. And this is the single calculator website, and this is the 180 plus calculator on the single websites. So I will also show you how much traffic on this calculator domain. You will be get surprised. Let's see. This is particular name calculators is I can't calculate the traffic of the month. It is huge, my dear. And this is the only calculators. The name is the exact name of the website. And I have also so many calculators like EMI calculator. Here you can check if you found BMI calculator. This is also on our website. Age calculator, this is also on our website. Lots of traffics are coming on. This is evergreen business. Once you set up your website, you will get traffic generations to generation till the human stay on this planet. Also, once the human will transfer from Earth to Mars, the calculator will also require. These are the website you just maintain hosting and domain, and these website will give you money as a byproduct. Just check another EMI calculators. Just check the traffic. There are lots of calculators we have. EMI calculators. This is the traffic. Lots of SIP calculator, loan calculator, interest calculator. These all are the calculators. Once you click here, EMI calculator. Check here USD, amount the loan, interest rate 9, the tenure is 15, and calculator. This is the calculator, and the dynamic, professional, and attractive calculator. Okay, this is the website. I can help you to get the same kind of website. If you are looking, this is a WordPress website, very easy to for newbie. If you don't know HTML coding something, a WordPress website is very easy, very fast, and unique, easy to maintain. If you click here, all calculators, it will come to here. So the lots of calculators we have, approximately 180 plus. So every month I add a new calculator. Once you purchase the same template from the link given in the description, you will also get the future lifetime updates. Every month you will get the new calculator update. Once you update a new calculator, I will give you the code, or also I can share you the template so that you can upload the calculator on our website. Don't need to do anything. Just go to a video description link and purchase the template and purchase the hosting also. Here you can purchase the hosting, the hostinger. I love the hostinger because this they are giving the extremely great service to the worldwide. This is the best plan they are giving. Just click here. This the once you use my link from the video description, you will get the 83% off. That means you are only paying 73% for the domain, and also for the domain and hosting also you will get the free domain, free email, free SSL certificate, and lots of security, because Hostinger is the #1 platform which I am using since long time. Choose the maximum time period. It's a 48 month. If you have 72, 78, choose the maximum period so that you will get the maximum discount for the longer period of time, because those kind of websites are not a simple website. This is the real business that will not die, my friend. So start and wake up and start making money. Okay. And also I have the different kind of website. This is the calculations.1. Here you will get this is the HTML website. You will get the same kind of template. This website has a 200 plus powerful calculators, and this is the WordPress website. This is the HTML website. Compared to WordPress is fast, but it is if you know HTML, it is good. If you don't know HTML, you just drop me a message, sir, I have purchased the Hostinger plan, I need to purchase the calculator template, I need a help. Me and my team will reply you as soon as possible to help you out. So these are the calculator websites. This is the WordPress website. This is the HTML website, but single calculator website. Here you will get the single calculator keyword, but here you will get the multiple calculator. Just click up PH calculator, H calculator, and those are the calculators that will help you to rank on the website, on the Google. Just check here the H calculator. You will go to this. Here you will show the H calculator. Just enter the H. Randomly I am adding. You can also add time. Randomly I am adding here. 2 days to calculate H. This year, month, days, hours. Here you will get all details in all this zodiac signs, and the calculator will get in advanced version. You will get all those things automatically. This is the calculator website. Here you will get 200 plus calculators. If you are confused with the HTML or WordPress, buy the WordPress. This is very easy to handle. If you use the HTML, your friendly HTML, it is also very easy. If you don't run HTML, don't know WordPress, and want to run a business like calculators, this is the great opportunity, my friend. Just go to description link and buy the template and hosting. I will help you out to make the same kind of website so that you can all start making money and making your career, making your family life easy. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck.